When it comes to what the public is fed in the news about real estate, the news is rarely about perspective. I was recently at a big Keller Williams real estate conference, and this slide will tell a story that the news is likely not going to share with you. Ever since they've been tracking annual home prices, there has been a consistent theme of a 4% appreciation on home values, somewhat of a sweet spot. Now you can see that number starts to excel above 4% in the early 2000s, partly due to supply and demand, but mostly due to lenders giving money to people that could not afford the payments, which definitely contributes to the Great Recession. The upward movement in prices spiked in 2006 at 21% above the 4% trend line, and we know how that turned out / ended. Mortgage industry got spanked and the economy tanked. So then in 2008, we go down, 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 and we've been steadily trying to crawl up and get back to that trend line since 2012. Then starting in 2020, you see prices surge. Why? Again, low supply, high demand, millennials flock to the market, and most importantly, we have a pandemic which had people staying home, saving money, and rethinking the way they live. The Fed also overcorrected and dropped those interest rates to an all-time low, drastically changing affordability. So you can see we got back to the trend line and then some, and we peaked last year at 12% above the line. Projections for this year, 2023, have the national average for a median home price at $382,000, just 7% over the 4% trend line. You may be asking, why does this matter? How does it affect me? Well, the talking heads forecast a leveling out and a deceleration, not necessarily a devaluation of home values. So when you're thinking about what a home is worth, please don't just look at the year that you're in. And if you're a buyer waiting to purchase when prices drop significantly, you could be in for a very, very long wait. You need to understand that real estate is a long game. I get that mortgage rates are up, making affordability a challenge, but those rates will rise and fall as well, which I can get into in future videos. I share this to bring perspective. Home ownership is a solid investment, a path to financial security. The average net worth of a homeowner in this country is about $300,000, while the average renter's is approximately $8,000. So whether you're a first-time home buyer, considering upsizing, downsizing, right-sizing, let's connect.